Today we are going to draw a volcano erupting. So the first thing that we have is a black marker for drawing. You can use a pencil or crayons, whatever you like. And then I have some markers for coloring. I also have paper, and I have some paper underneath just to make sure that it doesn't bleed through and go onto my table. Okay, so, you also need to put your paper up and down or lengthwise because our volcano is going to be very tall. Okay, so we're going to start about here on our paper, and that's where we're going to draw the top of the volcano. And it's going to come over, and it has lava dripping down it. Just like that. So now we're going to bring the lava up to the top and do some squiggly lines. You can do whatever shape for this you'd like. Go. Now our volcano is going to come out to the edge of the paper on that side and over here. There we go. Okay. Now, our volcano is on an island, so put some grass around it, and then we're going to be able to see the water in the distance. Okay, and the next thing that we need is our volcano is an active volcano and it's erupting right now. So at the top, we are going to put smoke and ash coming out of it and lava exploding out of the top. Like so. Go. You can put some extra lines for some details. And then we need to have our lava coming out. Now the lava, you can kind of do any shape because it's spitting and spewing out everywhere. Okay, so what do you think the next thing that we need to do is? Of course, we need to color our volcano. So the colors that I have chosen are red, blue, green, brown, and gray. But of course, you can choose to color your volcano however you like. It's your drawing.